to this video about how to publish a blog post for your first reading journal. Super easy. So if you don't remember how to sign into your account, just go to wordpress.com, sign in, you'll enter your login credentials. On the left, it should automatically take you to your site, or if you have multiple ones, you'll find your site. Just try this test one. So you should get at something that looks like this, your control panel. So it couldn't be easier. Blog post, just click add. You can call it reading in progress journal number 1. And just publish it here. I think there was part 1, blah, blah, blah. Alternately, of course, you can write it on Word or Google Docs and just copy and paste it. One thing I would always recommend when you're posting stuff, just save a copy for yourself as a Word document or as a Google document separate from this. It just in case something goes wrong here. That's pretty much it. Another thing I want to show, which is nice to have, is for posts you can add a feature image. So feature image is like if I take you to our blog, when you post something, you'll get these photos or pictures or whatever, and that makes it, just a little bit nice, adds a little bit of personality. So to add a feature image, you click on set featured image, add new. I have pre-saved a picture of crepes. I guess I'm hungry. And then set featured image. And that way it's nice to have a feature image. So something that's somehow representative of what you're talking about. All the other things I showed in the other video, links, photos, etc., all apply here. This, you don't need to worry about status. You don't need to worry about categories. None of that really matters. Just click publish, and you should see it there on your should see it there. If it should just be on the main page of your blog. So if you just click on the title, it should be there. If it's not there, if it doesn't appear, let me know in class. There's an easy way to make sure that it does appear, but the default for most themes is that it just appears there. And that's it. I just want to show one other thing while I'm here, because I had asked you to enable comments on the pages of your blog, and some people said that they weren't sure how to do that properly. So I'm just going to let you know. So if you go to site pages, any page, let's say we'll start with proposal. So the way I showed you to do this to enable comments is more options, allow comments, make sure that's checked, and that'll work fine. Now some of you will see a different layout, and there's a new editor, that's why. So I'm just gonna go to the new editor. So the new editor will look like this. So there's no more options tab, but there's one that says discussion. So discussion, if you click on discussion, it'll say allow comments. So in case it looks like this on your blog, just click on discussion. That only goes for pages. For the post I just showed you, comments are automatically enabled, not enabled. And that is it. That's how you do it. Any questions, let me know. If you have any technical issues, what I always say is print up a copy, bring it to class and say, look, I did it, or email me a Word document, come to class, prove to me that you've done it if you're having technical difficulties, and then you can always post it afterwards. That is it. Okay, see you in class.